Machine seated leg extension. So seat-wise, etc., we'll talk you through the setup as I'm actually sat down. So we need to sit first, and once we've got a seat, we'll get an idea. So we can see my knees stick over. I need my knees to line up with this black dot in here, so I'm actually a little bit too far forwards. So I'm gonna get up and just adjust my seat, so I slightly rest into it, and there are numbers on the back. I'm gonna pull this pin out and just drop it so the seat setting relevant for me. Jump back in, have a seat. Yep, pretty good now. This is resting right on the back of my knees, this ledge, and my knees are in line with the actual knee bit of the machine. I'm going to set my weight. Okay, so move the weight stack, just take the pin out, put it on a relevant weight for you. This particular bar, the main bar, I'm going to literally push the button down and then push it as far forwards as I can without my back coming off the seat. So for me, that's pretty much all the way. Now, I need to just check my ankle bar. So for me, that's all right. It's resting on the front of my ankle. Doesn't want to be halfway up your shin. Should be ideally right on that little pouch on the front of your ankle. Sit back in position, push your back into the backrest and use these handles to pull your bum into the seat. Once you're in that position there, we're now going to extend forwards, elevating the legs up, hold at the top, come down super slow, full range of motion to just before the weights touch, and again, extend all the way up, hold, and come down just before the weights touch. Nice, slow, and controlled movement. Okay, making sure that you load the weight into your thighs. Try and imagine lifting, so if I push into my hips here, like that, I can feel the contraction right at the top, and that's how it wants to be. Yeah, lift from here, don't lift from your knee joint. Up slowly, hold, down slow. And whatever you do, don't throw the weight around. When you finish, just push this little trigger forwards and down, and then you can just rest until your next set.